next question, which is, all the example videos, even Google's own, seem to easily lead in more complex code to pyramid of doom. How best to combat this? And also, are there any de facto standards around this in Flutter?
I think in general, to combat complexity of any code, I think you should have architecture in your code and follow software principles like solid, single responsibility, and those stuff. Keep it simple, stupid, don't repeat yourself, and you're not going to need it again. So by following those principles, you basically write a clean code, well structured, and more maintainable. And on the right, I have this example of Flutter app architecture using like MobX or in general. So basically you have UI layer, then you have your business logic layer, and then you have your service layer, and then you have your external service layer. So by separating your code into different architecture layer, you sort of see your data flow and see how code flows. So it's more predictable. Also, apart from having architecture, also I think you must also have the code quality. And I think best is to like follow Flutter and Dart best practices, and also enabling static analysis using, or you can use like pedantic, which is like Google lint rules, or you can use effective Dart or lint, which is like commonly packaged rules. And also remember to write tests to make sure that your application works as expected. So by doing all this stuff, you basically make sure that your code is predictable and also easy to read. And that way you can reduce complexity. So I had added an example how you can add a lint package into your application or your project. So by adding, so you basically add the package to your dev dependencies, and then you create analysis options YAML file, and then you add the package. You include the lint package to your application, and that would basically enable the static analysis, code static analysis rules, and it just work. So any comments from other people?
No silver bullets from here.
No silver bullets, yeah. It's all about architecture. We've used, to hide some complexity or introduce more, depending on our viewpoint, we've used also kind of reactive libraries. So we've had RxDart, which if you read reactive code easily, makes it easy to see stuff. And if you don't, makes it very hard to see stuff. So again, question of architecture.
John is commenting in the chat that I would suggest as well to split UI in different widgets instead of adding many widgets into the same tree.
Yeah. If you wanna avoid the, like you said,
the pyramid of doom.
Yeah. Nested.
Yeah, that's how you would do it on the UI side, exactly.
Yeah. That's a good point.
Okay. Thanks for the comments.